RK8900 achieved the best angle of zero-gravity massage experience through the back, seat, leg free parts, segmented multi-angle change combination, and zero-gravity technology can ease the body in a natural position that counteracts gravity's adverse effects to bring you wonderful feeling. Make your spine in a stress-free position to help promoting blood circulation, enhance memory, release pressure on the mind, stress on the heart, and strain on the muscles. RK8900 applied Thai massage technique, stretching for the whole body, active joints to eliminate fatigue, swing forward and backward rhythmically to make you get great relaxed feeling. Top-end intelligent massage chair RK8900 with new generation space-saving feature, 8 centimeters away from the wall. The chair will automatically move forward to save more backspace. This offers modern home decoration concept. First massage chair, originated from the Leung, has been the leader of China massage chair industry in the past years. Creatively combine Chinese Taiji with Chinese medical acupuncture massage techniques and put it in the high-tech products. RK chair in this field. The fashionable design brings you noble, distinctive taste. It is symbol of identity and status for successful gentlemen. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. Rongkang must protect your qualified life.